you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Janera. If you're new, thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you guys who already been watching for coming back. Today I am going to do a review slash demo for the Femiro home waxing kit I bought off of Amazon for $33.98. I bought it on a Saturday and it ended up being delivered Friday morning, and immediately I just started opening up and using the stuff. And then my friend was like, no, record it. So I actually have to show you guys a picture of what came inside of the box because I got so anxious and started using it, and then something clicked and said record it. So I made like a demo of how to actually use it. So it comes with the waxing bowl. It comes with 4 packets of different beaded waxes. The flavors or the different type of smells that were in the kit was blackberry, cream, calamine, and rose. My favorite one was the rose and cream because I like to actually see the hairs when you pull it off your skin. So the black one, you really can't see anything, and the blue one, you really can't see anything. But the white and cream, you can the cream and rose, you can definitely see what's coming out, and it's kind of cool to actually look at to me. And it also came with bump pop sticks. It came with the mini ones and it came with the larger ones. The mini ones are more towards the face and the large one is for the body area. It also comes with a instruction guide on how to use it, and it comes with like a little card. It comes with a little card from the Femiro company, and it's basically thank you for purchasing it. If you have any questions, send something to their Hotmail, and please leave a review about their hard wax. I chose to do the hard waxing because for my black African American hair texture, I needed coarse wax. So yeah, first thing I'll say, I really like it. I actually got it right here. I actually have it right here. As you can see, I definitely use that because you can see the little wax and stuff all over it. I really like it. I'm going to start off with the demo and show you guys how to actually use it. And after you watch the demo, I will come back and show you the pros and cons of actually what I found from using it, because I ended up doing my whole body, my chin, my stomach, my legs, my inner thighs, and I even did a Brazilian wax on myself, which, future reference, I'm actually going to stick to letting the estheticians at the Cabana wax place that I go to do down there, because when I get closer to the womanly lips part, I can't deal. But everything else was pretty much cool. Like the bikini area, everything was cool until I got to the lips. I was like, hold up, I'm gonna have to just stick to going to the esthetician I go to. But yeah, if you guys want to see the demo, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I am going to be showing a demo version of how to use the Femiro waxing kit at home. I'm going to be waxing my armpits, so I'm going to show you guys how my armpits look. As you can see, they're not like extremely hairy because I do the DIY at home waxing under my arms. And yeah, so you do have to make sure your underarms are clean. You don't have any deodorant, oils, or anything under that. So what I'm going to use to clean my underarms is Dr. Bronner soap. I'm going to use the peppermint kind, and I will show you guys how it looks. This is how the soap looks. Okay, so after I clean my underarms, I'm just going to use a little Johnson & Johnson baby powder to make sure there's no oils or anything moist under there. It's going to dry it up so I can begin the wax application. So I'm just going to put a little wax on here. It's kind of difficult doing this on camera, but man, okay. And I'm going to do this side. Now with the wax, I'm going to show you guys how you're supposed to actually use it. So yeah. Okay, I'm sorry you guys, I'm trying to study my hand, but this is the waxing kit. Basically, when you are about to pull the wax out, you will pull it out and begin to swirl until the wax, basically like that little stringy part, goes away. So I can't do it, me being left-handed, is kind of okay, like this, and that's how you will get it. And then you would swipe it on whatever area you're trying to wax. I touched it too soon. You just basically wait. Okay, so I didn't have to look in the mirror because look, I'm left-handed and it's harder for me. So I'm just waiting on it to dry. And also I want to say, I know like a lot of people was like, oh, you use different bump pop sticks for every time you use the wax, but the wax is only, this is only being used by me, and for whatever area I'm using, I'm going to use the same stick because it's only being used by me. Now if I'm going to be like doing this on a client, or if I was an esthetician or something, of course I would use different things, but I'm just using it on myself, so it's not really a big problem. So I'm making like a little, if you see what I'm doing, I'm making like a little hook or something for me to pull on. So I stretch the skin, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. And yeah. Okay, so I will go in with the cons of what I did not like about it. The kit, the size of the beads, like the packets were not that big, so I actually went through all of the wax for my whole entire body. So now I have to go purchase like a bigger wax beads, hard wax beads for future usage. Another thing is it kept turning off. So I guess if you leave it on for a certain amount of time, I guess longer than 15 minutes or longer than 10 minutes, it would just shut off on its own. And I really didn't get that. I was like, why is it doing that? When I look at the reviews, either it's too hot or it's been on for too long that it automatically turned off on its own. And those were the two cons. I really like this. If you are a beginner waxer and you just started waxing, this is very beginner friendly. I do feel like it's cost efficient. So for the cost of it and how much you're going to be using it, I do say they go hand in hand. I really do like the product. It's very simple. I feel like you got a lot with it for it to be $33.98, and it's just testers. So if you end up liking the product, you can go buy a bigger sample. Just with me, I use all the samples. But yeah, I will rate this 9 out of 10. The only thing that I truly did not like is that it cut off on the lower temperatures. But other than that, this is a great beginner friendly waxing kit, and I will suggest that you try it. If you do not have pain tolerance, I would say you would not like waxing. To me, pain doesn't hurt. I have tattoos, so waxing is nothing to me. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like this review / demo. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.